Hi viewers, this is Fiona from Wonders Bakery, and today on The Perfect Dish we are going to be making mkate sausage rolls. Mkate sausage rolls is a fancy way of making bread rolls, not bread rolls but sausage rolls. So lovers of sausage rolls, this is a fancy way you can make it, and it's way much faster. My kids love it. I'm sure if you have kids back at home, they love it too. So to start, we'll be using sausages, but we are using pre-cooked sausages. So if you are using sausages that are not pre-cooked, you'll have to cook them first before you start everything. You cook them and let them cool down first. But for today, we'll be using pre-cooked sausages. Slices of bread. I'm going to use white. You can use brown bread for those who are kind of watching their weight or on a diet. But for today, I'm going to use this. A pinch of salt and 2 eggs. That's it. Very easy, very simple. So to start, we are going to remove this brown crust from the bread. We only need the white part. So we'll remove the brown part. Set them aside. Then roll it the way you do chapatis, just rolling down to make it thinner. Then you take your sausage and roll it. Like that. And set it aside. We take our eggs. Just slightly whisk this. Make sure all the white and the yolk is properly mixed. Add in a pinch of salt. And we are set. That is all we need for the mkate sausage rolls. So we are now ready to fry our mkate sausage rolls. So mkate sausage rolls, you can use them for birthday parties, for breakfast, when you're having brunch. The list is endless. They're very good. A lot of kids love them, especially they're really good in birthday parties. Kids adore these things, especially mine. I have 2. They really love them. So our oil is heating up. We'll test if it's ready. Not yet. It's a very simple recipe, not much. Eggs, bread, sausages, and salt. Just take your mkate and your sausage. You dip it in the egg mixture and into the frying pan. When dipping the bread, make sure this part, after dipping, make sure when you are putting it on the frying oil, make sure this part is the one touching the surface of your sufuria or of your frying pan. You dip, then you place it this side facing downwards. Let's check to see how our rolls are doing. As you can see, they've browned beautifully. They're golden brown. Personal page on Instagram, Wonders Bakery, for more desserts.